Good night, construction site. Steam train, dream train.
I like that you made your books both about things that go. I like how the words rhyme. And I like the ice cream part. And because it has cool characters. The animals walk on a train and then they go to bed. It's a very, very, very long train.
Well, I like big machines because they really haul big loads and they're really strong.
Because I love trains.
Because I'm really wild like monkeys sometimes. I like that there was dinosaurs and steam train and dream train.
I liked the part when the elephants were escorting all the paintings. There was a part when the little boy was sleeping. I really, really, really loved it.
Thank you.
I really, really, really like your books, Sherri Duskey Rinker. They're awesome! Don't forget me.